A Red Hawk moves into testing despite ejection problem. Boeing says it is making progress in fixing the T7. A Red Hawk jet trainer's seat problem and plans to begin flight testing this summer. U.S. officials are pressing the U.S. Air Force to move faster to replace the half-century-old T-38 jet trainer, which has been involved in several accidents in recent years. The flight test program for the T7A Red Hawk, which will replace the T-38, has been slowed by an ejection seat problem. Boeing says it is making progress in resolving the ejection seat problem that has delayed the U.S. Air Force's new T7A jet trainer program and hopes to begin developmental flight tests this summer. The T-38 has killed too many people, and anything we can do to accelerate production of the T-7 to replace the T-38 is absolutely critical to the future of our nation, especially the Air Force pilot force, Mike Garcia told a U.S. House of Representatives Defense Subcommittee hearing in March, according to information compiled by Defense Laboratories. Boeing, which has built 5 test aircraft and 2 flying prototypes for the T-7A Red Hawk, expects to conduct more rigorous flight tests starting this summer after receiving the military flight clearance that makes the aircraft airworthy, a company representative said. After the company's initial tests this summer, the aircraft will be shipped to Edwards Air Force Base for U.S. Air Force flight tests in September. The T-7 production delays have been largely caused by problems with the aircraft's ejection seat system. Due to the ejection seat issue, the U.S. Air Force plans to delay the first operational aircraft purchase until 2025, with the first delivery of production aircraft expected in December 2025. The U.S. Air Force plans to buy a total of 351 T-7 jets. However, the service did not request funding for the purchase of T-7S in its 2024 budget request sent to the U.S. Congress last month. An Air Force spokesman said the T-7 delays could not be mitigated by a more aggressive flight test program. The planned flight program is already performance-based and aggressive, the spokesman said. Specifications of the Boeing T-7. A trainer aircraft. The Boeing T-7A is a new advanced pilot trainer offered by Boeing in partnership with Saab for the U.S. Air Force's USAF Advanced Pilot Training Program. The T-7A is intended to replace the USAF's legacy T-38 trainer fleet. The first 2 production-ready T-7A trainer aircraft were launched by Boeing and Saab in September 2016. The first aircraft completed its maiden flight in December 2016, while the second aircraft made its maiden flight in April 2017. With the T-7A Red Hawk jet, Boeing and Saab have implemented an innovative digital strategy for the design, development, and production of military aircraft. Model-based engineering has been an integral part of Saab's success, first with the development of the Gripen E-jet, and now as part of the T-7 program. The close working partnership between Boeing and Saab has enabled the program to deliver a brand new aircraft in record time with a relentless focus on efficiency and accuracy. The next steps for the program include the first flight of the EMD T-7A jet and the ongoing transfer of knowledge and technology to Saab's U.S. operations. The production jets will be transferred to the St. Louis facility for ground and flight testing prior to delivery to the U.S. Air Force. The T-7A program is based at Boeing's St. Louis facility, and the rear section of the trainer is built at Saab's facilities in Linköping, Sweden. In the near future, Saab will begin production of this portion of the aircraft at its new manufacturing facility in West Lafayette, Indiana. The fully digitally designed aircraft is built and tested using advanced manufacturing, agile software development, and digital engineering technologies that significantly reduce the time from design to first flight. The aircraft also features open architecture software that allows for growth and flexibility to meet future mission requirements. The T-7A Red Hawk has a red-tailed livery in honor of the group of mostly African-American military pilots and airmen who participated in World War II, known as the Tuskegee Airmen. The Tuskegee Airmen were the first African-American aviation unit to serve in the U.S. military. The Boeing T-7. A trainer is a clean-sheet design with a single-engine airframe, twin tails, sophisticated cockpit stadium seating, and integrated training instrumentation. The aircraft is delivered to the customer as a complete advanced pilot training system, including sophisticated ground-based training aids. The Boeing T7A offers sophisticated and comprehensive pilot training solutions, including highly realistic simulations, computer-based training modules, and adaptive training. It also provides a complete set of instructor tools to support various training needs. The Boeing T7A is compatible with fighter aircraft in appearance, experience, and performance. The twin-tail design is similar to that of current and future fighter aircraft, providing greater stability, superior control, built-in speed brake functionality, and safer in-flight refueling. The Boeing T7A's design ensures maintenance crews have easy access to critical items. It is also compatible with common USAF ground equipment and uses established component suppliers to reduce supply chain complexity. Its maintenance-friendly design supports long-term functionality and enables the integration of the latest technology and equipment. The Boeing T7A is a platform that is more affordable and flexible than aircraft in its class. It also supports technology evolution to meet future training needs. Boeing T7A engine. The Boeing T7A is powered by a General Electric GEF 404 turbofan afterburner engine, which provides higher performance, improved fuel efficiency, and superior mission capability. The maximum speed of a T7A trainer is 1,300 km per h with a range of 1,839 km. Boeing T7A cockpit and avionics. The Boeing T7A is equipped with a modern cockpit and flexible avionics integrated into the trainer. The cockpit features a large and modular display area, providing multiple training options for instructors and students. The cockpit is equipped with fly-by-wire flight controls that ensure excellent handling at all speeds, flight parameters, and high angles of attack. The Boeing T7A cockpit can accommodate one instructor and one student. The seating arrangement provides ideal instructor positions and visibility for flight instruction to conduct basic traffic pattern operations and advanced visual air combat training. JPATS 1. 7 compatible seating also accommodates a variety of individuals of varying heights. Boeing T7. A price and orders. The price of the latest Boeing T7. A trainer is approximately $23 million. The U.S. Air Force selected Boeing T7A aircraft over its competitors in September 2018, and in October 2018 awarded Boeing a U.S. $9.1 billion contract for the delivery of 351 T7A aircraft, 46 simulators, and associated ground equipment. Meanwhile, in the same year, Boeing awarded a $117.6 million contract to Saab for the engineering, manufacturing, and development, EMD, of the T7A trainer aircraft.